Hey Life Boosters, today we're gonna make Breve coffee, which if you don't know what that is, it's essentially like a cappuccino, but it's made with cream. So if you like sweet, rich, bold flavors, this is definitely the drink for you. Let's get into it. So you're gonna start by grinding your coffee beans and making a double shot of espresso. Now today we are using the Lifeboost Dark Roast, which we already have prepped and it's in the machine. So there are so many different types of Breve lattes you can make. We wanna make this one really rich and delicious, so we're gonna add some cocoa powder. Steam about 2/3 of a cup of half and half, and then add it to the espresso. Froth 1 ounce of half and half until it turns into foam, and then spoon it over the top for the finishing touch. So good. And so loud with the weed whackers right outside our window. Very realistic. I'm sure you have lawn care guys at your house as well, which is why coffee is important. Cheers.